Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So it's another driving video, another community drive. We're on Kaser Park Road. To the right is Kaser Park Avenue. And this is where we're touring today. So it's another community drive and just bringing you guys along. Remember to like, comment. This bridge goes over the Sandy Gully. We're gonna take this left, which is Arawak Drive. So this is a community ride of Kaser Park Road. This is where we're gonna take a look at today. Personally, I've not gone straight before on Arawak Drive. I've never continued on this drive before. I usually take the right. So let's see what's around this corner, and then we come back up and go on Fair Lane Drive. If you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. It's the easiest way to support the channel. Subscribing is completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so this leads to a dead end, just as I thought. Because I think, yeah, because of the gully, you know. So this channel covers Jamaica infrastructure, Jamaica real estate, Jamaica roads, the whole works. We have a lot of drone video on the channel as well, but our drone, you know, it mash up. It's no longer working. So what we're doing is mainly driving videos until we can get a replacement drone for the channel, so we can do some more construction updates and development updates. Because you know the videos aren't as nice if you don't have some drone shots. Right, so yeah. So we're on Arawak Drive. Community of Kaser Park Road, but generally speaking this area is Kaser Park. Both sizes are big. I mean, well, lot sizes are big, mainly 4-bedroom 5-bedroom homes. I think if they're selling, their prices will start probably around a 25 mil based on the area, based on the market. So this is now Fair Lane Drive. You know, this road was once super bad, but you know, it's now repaved. They put in a few sleeping police. Yeah. This house is now finished. 2-story house, multiple rooms. I think it's a tenement dwelling. Alright, let's go on this turn first. On this right turn first and Savoy Avenue. More than likely it's a cul-de-sac. Oh no, it leads back to Kaser Park Road. Okay, alright, so we'll turn back before we go on Kaser Park main road. So it's a very short avenue. Like a 5 or 6-bedroom house. And as usual, if any of you guys lived in any of these community Kaser Park or any of these roads, let us know in the comment section as well. I think a recording studio is to my right if my memory serves me. I see the name, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, it looks like this house is finally finished. Number 18. and more than likely it's a tenement dwelling. So we're back on Fairlane Drive. We have Cresta Avenue to the right. I don't think we're going on there. And this road lead back to Red Hills Road, or basically Kaser Park Road, which is right next to Red Hills Road. So that traffic you're seeing now is Red Hills Road. Alright, so we're gonna take the right, head on back to Kaser Park Road, and basically end the video. So Red Hills Road straight ahead. Now we're on Kaser Park Road. How many of you guys drive these roads regular? Let me know in the comment section. Again, guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Alright, so we're heading to the direction of Waltham Park Road, going over the Sandy Gully again. So if we continue straight, we'll reach the intersection, the popular called Four Roads, which is the intersection of Waltham Park Road and Mullines Road, or from one end Kaser Park Road and Mullines Road. Alright, so we're approaching Four Roads. That's the intersection of Mullines and Waltham. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for commenting. Really appreciate all the support. And remember, subscribing is free, so feel free to subscribe. So this is the intersection. So we're on Kaser Park Road. Ends here or starts here, depending on which direction you're coming from. And then Waltham Park Road ends there or start there. Waltham Park Road is a very long road as well. It runs from here, goes straight back to Spanish Town Road. Run across Agley Park Road as well. So you have some very long roads in Kingston, you know? Very long roads. As usual, guys, leave your comments, share the video so persons both overseas and outside of Kingston can, you know, get a good drive out. Alright guys, see you on another video.